Well, ethics I represent. Yeah, man, I want to do the thing, we want the people them content. Yeah, cause we know say he that wait upon Jaja shall renew is our earth strength. Know what is enough and know when to contend. Unrighteousness is a disaster to this element. So me want know what some people I represent. So many things happen because of uncontentment and compassion of strength and powerful arrangement. I remember when all these members of parliament seeking for agrees and disagreement and seeking for representatives and people to represent with positive sentences and negative statements from stages to ages of confusion and unsettlement. In some location where resignation becoming permanent, and besides some decide to reside as permanent resident, even though people cry and people die because of misjudgment. Who care, who left, who gone, who come, or who went, or who become prime minister, or who become president? Some people wait, some murmur not, some have patience. Some people have some seek job while some become agent. I seek righteous conversation and have engagement with lust to discuss the hardness of the pavement and try to analyze who fool, who wise, who satisfy and who content in this time where mankind won't seek to repent and become impersonators and haters and Eden and serpent because of barriers and laws and dangerous reinforcement. I try to realize is who invent the content of weapons and rumors of war in every continent. I lose hope, I lose faith, and I lose confidence in the denomination of churches and political independence. A judge I and I shield when I up on the battlefield. Even though them eat off the food and say them no want me eat a meal. All when them shuffle up the deck and say them no want me for deal. Me I express myself right now, me I tell you how me feel. From me enter this earth and my arrival, all I wanna seek is survival. For living at this life, it's so crucial. Me say mankind I get so heartless and brutal. I kill off them one another and I create pure funeral. Cause who want to be boss and who want to be general. Them no want unite and live righteous and spiritual. But me want them to know say, a Jaja, a the marshal. He that wait upon Jaja, me say, shall renew his or her strength. Know what is enough, me say, and know when to contend. Unrighteousness is a disaster to this element, so me want to know what some people are represent. So many things happen because of uncontentment and compassion of strength and powerful arrangement. I remember when all these members of parliament seeking for agrees and disagreement and seeking for representative and people to represent with positive sentences and negative statements from stages to ages of confusion and unsettlement. In some location where resignation becoming permanent, and besides some decide to reside as permanent resident, even though people cry and people die because of misjudgment. Who care, who left, who gone, who come, or who went, or who become prime minister, or who become president? Some people wait, some murmur not, and some have patience. Some rob, some seek job while some become agent. I seek righteous conversation and have engagement with lust to discuss